Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and in product of vectors. I think still 2 classes are required to finish this chapter. Okay, let us see Eamcet 2019 question number 45. Okay, see if the points 2a plus 3b minus c, a minus 2b plus 3c, 3a minus lambda b minus 2c and a minus 6b plus 6c are coplanar. Okay, these are points coplanar. How to find this coplanarity? 4 points they have given. If you take these as position vectors, OA, OB, OC, OD, then AB, AC, AD, if you make, automatically these 4 are going to become 3. Then coplanarity you can find equating to 0. Okay, if you equate it to 0, automatically here lambda is there. Lambda value you are going to find. Why? Because except there, remaining area lambda is not there. Okay, lambda value you will get. After getting lambda value, that lambda value how to substitute in this vector. Then the direction cosines of vector, this vector. In this vector, that lambda value, if you substitute, one vector will come. If vector is there, direction cosine easily we can find. Why? Because see, lambda divided by this modulus of all this. That we will see. Okay. Procedure is we have understood very clearly. First, what we have to take? Like position vectors, you have to take all these 4. You see what I am writing? Position vector OA is equal to 2a plus 3b minus c, comma, position vector OB is equal to a minus 2b plus 3c, comma, position vector OC is equal to 3a plus lambda b minus 2c. Okay? Okay. Then again, position vector OD is equal to a minus 6b plus 6c. Now these 4 you have to make as 3. AB, AC, AD. With A we have to start all. Let us start. AB. I don't want to write again OB minus OA like. Okay, 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus A minus 2 minus 3 minus 5B 3 minus of minus C 4C. Okay, this is AB. Then go for AC also. AC 3 minus 2 1A lambda minus 3. Okay, lambda minus 3 plus lambda minus 3 into B minus 2C plus C minus C. Okay, this is AC. Okay, now go for AD also. AD. Okay, AD means you see 1 minus 2 minus A minus 6 minus 3 minus 9B 6 plus 1 7C. Okay. Okay. Now see, coplanar they are mentioning. Coplanar means what I have to do? I have to equate it to determine it to 0. Okay, write down. That means see, minus 1 minus 5 plus 4 A lambda minus 3 minus 1 minus 1 minus 9 7. This we will equate it to 0. Okay, I am putting comma. See, minus 1 times. Okay, minus 1 times, see, 7 lambda minus 21. 7 lambda minus 21. 7 lambda minus 21. Minus 9. Okay, minus of minus 5 plus 5. Minus of minus 5 plus 5. 7. See, here we should not write, no? We have to write 1. Okay, 1. Okay. Yes, 7 lambda minus 21 minus 9. Okay, now minus 5 minus of minus 5 plus 5 into, see, 7 minus 1. Okay, plus 4 into minus 9. Okay, minus of minus lambda plus lambda. See how it comes. Minus 9. Okay, minus of minus lambda plus 3. But see, this is going to become lambda but minus 3. Lambda minus 3. Lambda plus lambda minus 3. Write down plus lambda minus 3. Okay. Proceed further. Now proceed further. Minus 21 minus 30. See, this is equal to 0. Don't forget. Okay. Minus 30. Minus 30 means see plus 30. Plus 30 minus 7 lambda. Okay. Then you see 7 minus 1 is 6. 30 plus 30. Okay. Now you see 4 lambda. Okay. And you see minus 12 into 4 minus 48 is equal to 0. Okay. Now see minus 3 lambda will be there. Then you send that side 3 lambda. 3 lambda is equal to, why? Because minus 3 lambda I have sent that side. You see 60 minus 48. 12. But 12 is plus. Then lambda will be 4. Okay. Lambda is 4. Okay. See, now you have got lambda. Then you substitute in this vector. Why? Because see, after getting lambda, the direction cosines of vector this vector, if lambda is not there, directly we can find. Okay. But lambda is there. That is why we have to substitute. You see, 4i means 4i minus 4 into 2, 8j plus k. Okay. See, direction cosines you have to find. Direction cosines implies, you see, 4 square plus 8 square plus 1 square under root, that is equal to 64 16. 64 16. 81 means 9 will come. Okay. Okay. See, direction cosines DCs is equal to, you see, 4 by 9 minus 8 by 9 1 by 9. These three are direction cosines. Okay. Direction cosine means you have to, what we can say, like modulus, so all you have to make a square and a square root. Again you have to divide with only coefficient. Only coefficients will come, direction cosines. Okay. This is answer for this question. Take this, we will go for next question. Okay. See question number 46. Eamcet 2017 question. And a unit vector orthogonal to the vector 3i plus 4j plus 5k and coplanar with the vectors I plus j plus k and I minus j plus k is. See, logic is here. See, one vector is there. Let us take that vector as R. That vector is orthogonal to this vector. Orthogonality means what? Perpendicular. That means R and this vector are perpendicular. Okay, that is one thing. Another thing, that vector R is coplanar with these two vectors. That means that vector and these two vectors, if you make determinant, that is going to become, determinant is equal to 0, like you have to make. Okay. Then they are asking to find that vector. Which is that vector? That vector is a unit vector. That you keep in our mind. That means modulus, if you take that vector as R, then modulus R is 1. Like that you have to take. Okay. See, step by step you observe carefully. Even though for 4 marks or 1 mark they have given for objective type, this is like a big question only. Observe carefully how I am tackling this question. Okay. See. First of all, you take these two vectors are A, B, or else you take these two vectors, this vector is A and B and C. Whatever it may be. Okay. Okay. See, let R is equal. First of all, unit vector means that vector I am taking as let R is required vector. Okay. R is required vector, comma, R is equal to let xi plus yj plus zk. Why we don't know xy values, but ijk we have taken. Why? Because remaining all are ijk we are having. Okay. And also from first line only, modulus R is equal to 1. Modulus R is equal to 1. and also r x square plus y square plus z square is equal to 1 square. Okay, 1 square. These are all you can box. These are all required for us. Okay, with first statement, vector is a unit vector and required vector. Required vector we have taken let and that is a unit vector. That unit vector means x square plus y square plus z square will come 1. We have to find x, y, z, then it will be okay. Now see, this vector is orthogonal to this vector. That means see, now I am doing what I am doing. Now I am taking one by one. Let A is equal to 3i plus 4j plus 5k. Okay? Okay. Next BC also you take. Let B is equal to I plus j plus k. Let C is equal to, actually they have given, but let A, B, C we are taking. I minus j plus k. Okay? Okay. Now you see, next after this, this vector is orthogonal to this vector. That means orthogonal means 90 degree. See, r dot a, this one, r dot a is equal to 0. Dot product is 0. Why? Because orthogonal means 90 degree. Cos 90 is 0. R dot a is equal to 0. Then you make r dot a. R is how much? X I plus yj plus zk dot a. A means what? 3i plus 4j plus 5k is equal to 0. Okay. What you are going to get? You are going to get one equation. You see 3x plus 4y plus 5z is equal to 0. This also we require. Okay. Now wait. No, these two equations you are unable to solve. Why? Because see, two parameters means two equations are enough. But here three parameters are there. X, Y, Z you have to find. Now not enough. Now go for second one also. This procedure what they have given. This vector R is coplanar with this B and C. Okay. See, coplanar means what? Directly you write for coplanarity. See here we have for orthogonality you write. For orthogonality. For orthogonality, r dot a is equal to 0. For coplanarity, determinant equal to 0, comma. See, x, y, z. Next B with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1. 1 minus 1, 1. Okay? This should be equal to 0. Okay? For coplanarity. Let us take x into 1 plus 1 minus y into 1 minus 1, 0 plus z into minus 1 minus 1, minus 2. Okay, this is equal to 0 because coplanarity. Okay. 2x, y is not there, y is 0. 2x minus 2z is equal to 0, or else 2x is equal to 2z, or else x is equal to z. Okay. Now you see, three equations and three variables or three parameters. Can we find? Definitely we can find. Okay. You substitute x is equal to 0. This is the equation. You see what I am writing now. 3x plus 4y plus 5, rather than z I will write again x. Why? Because x is equal to z. 5x is equal to 0. That means 8x plus 4y is equal to 0. Okay. Then what I can do? See, 4y is equal to minus 8x, or else y is equal to minus 2x. Understand? See, what we are doing, r we are going to replace with x. See, if z is there, this equation, we will write x square. X square already is there. In place of z, we will write x square. In place of y, we will write minus 2x whole square. That means x square like will come. Then x square value are going to get. Okay? Okay. Now I am substituting this. X square plus y square means what? Minus 2x whole square. Plus z square means what? Z square means x square only. That is equal to 1. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because see, x value, z value both are same. Y value minus 2x and x value is x value. Okay? Now proceed. See, x square plus x square, 2x square, 4x square. 2x square plus 4x square is equal to 1, or else 6x square is equal to 1, or else x square is equal to 1 by 6, or else x is equal to 1 by 6. Sorry, root 6. Okay? X is equal to 1 by root 6. Okay. Now see, you have got x. But for this vector, you have to get y, z also. X is equal to z. That means z is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by root 6. Sorry. Z also equal to 1 by root 6. Then what about y? Y is equal to minus 2 by root 6. Is it okay? Definitely okay. Why? Because minus 2x. X will be 1 by root 6. Minus 2 by root 6. Okay. Now we see, what is the vector r? Unit vector r. R is equal to x. In place of x, 1 by root 6 I. Y. In place of y, minus 2 by root 6 j. In place of z, 1 by root 6k plus 1 by root 6k, or else you take 1 by root 6 common. 1 by root 6 if you take common, I minus 2j plus k. This is the answer. That means the required vector is 1 by root 6 into I minus 2j plus k. Take this, we will go for next question. Okay, see. 47th question. Let A, B and C be distinct non-negative numbers if the vectors ai plus aj plus ck, I plus k, j is not there, ci plus cj plus bk lie on a plane. On a plane means on same plane. Coplanarity. That means you make determinant that should be equal to 0. You first make it equal to 0, then what will come and all we will observe. Why? Because see, whether c is arithmetic mean, geometric mean, harmonic mean, or c equal to 0, they are asking us to find. We can find, that is not that much difficult. Let us see. See, A, C, 1, 0, 1, C, B, okay, equal to 0. Okay, now you see A times 0 minus C, okay, 0 minus C, minus A times B minus C, okay, B minus C, plus C times C minus 0, that means C is equal to 0. Okay, coplanarity. Okay. Now see, minus AC minus AB plus AC plus C square equal to 0. You see, minus AC plus AC you cancel out. Then you see C square is equal to AB. Okay? C square is equal to AB or C is equal to AB under root means what we can understand? C is geometric mean of A and B. This is the answer. Okay? C will be geometric mean of A and B. Okay? A plus B by 2 comes means arithmetic mean. Harmonic means we have to reverse it. That we will see afterwards. Okay? This is the answer. A is the answer. Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 48. The volume of a tetrahedron. Tetrahedron volume we have already seen. What we have to take? 1/6 of determinant we have to take. Okay, tetrahedron. Okay, don't forget 1/6 of determinant. Okay, the volume of a tetrahedron having edges, coterminous edges, I plus 2j minus k, I plus j plus k, I minus j plus lambda k. Lambda we don't know, that only we have to find. But that value they have given 2 by 3. Let us see. Not that much tough this one. can do it. See, let me see. Volume not equal to, I am putting implies 1/6 of this determinant. What is the determinant? 1, 2, minus 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1 minus 1 lambda is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, here I have put only implies 1/6 of this one. Okay, don't forget. Then if 6 that side goes means automatically 2 times 4 will come. Let us see. 1 into lambda plus 1 minus 2 into lambda minus 1 minus of plus 1 means actual minus is there. Okay, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2 minus 1 minus 1, but this should be equal to 4. How 4 has come? 6 into 2 by 3. Okay, this I have jumped one step up. Okay, lambda plus 1 minus 2 lambda plus 2 minus 2 into minus 1 plus 2 is equal to 4. See, minus lambda send that side. Minus 2 lambda plus lambda minus lambda minus lambda, if you send that side it is going to become plus lambda. Send 4 this side. See, 2 to 4 already got cancelled like you think. Okay, 1. This is the answer. Okay. Now we do one thing. Still 4 questions we will do, and we will close this chapter in the next class. Okay. Thank you very much.